Hi, it's Jewl with the Daily Drop Society. Today we're going to talk about roller bottles, how easy they are to make, and how you can make them at home. Now when we use essential oils, it's always a good idea to dilute the essential oils when we're using them. That's because when we dilute them, it actually helps our skin absorb them better. It also helps with skin sensitivity that can happen over time from using an essential oil undiluted. That's why one of my favorite ways is to make roller bottles. And you are going to be so surprised at how easy it really is to make them. Now, roller bottles come in all different sizes. The two sizes I like to use are 5 milliliter size and the 10 milliliter size that you can see here. There are whole bunches of different ratios that you can use depending on your skin sensitivity, age, and what you're comfortable with. This ratio mentioned here is a really great conservative way to look at diluting essential oils and the percentage. By looking at this chart, you're able to see how many drops of oil you need per carrier oil. Now the carrier oil I love to use when I do this is doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. This coconut oil stays at a liquid always. It doesn't go hard like we're used to with cooking coconut oils. It also has a longer shelf life, so I like that. I can get longer use out of it. Now you're welcome to use any kind of vegetable-based carrier oil. That could be sesame seed oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, whatever oil you have at home that you are comfortable with using, you're welcome to use. Now your roller bottles are gonna come in 3 parts. There is the glass part of it, there is the plastic piece that gets put on top where the roller bottle is, and there's the lid. Now you can either use plastic balls on top of your roller bottles or you can buy the metal ones. You can get these cheap on Amazon. You can order these through doTERRA's website in their DIY kit. You can get them all over the place for fairly inexpensive. So let's get into how you make one of these rollers now that you have your supplies. Today we're just gonna be making a diluted Breathe roller bottle. The reason why I like to dilute Breathe is because sometimes this oil is a little bit strong, so it's great to use with a carrier oil. So all we do, open up your bottle, and we're just gonna make the smaller 5 milliliter today. Here is our glass empty bottle now. You're gonna take the oil that you want to put into your roller bottle and you're just gonna tip it at an angle and drop a few drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. I got 5 drops in this 5 milliliter roller right now. Then I'm going to take fractionated coconut oil and I am going to fill up the rest of this roller bottle. It is now filled to the top with my fractionated coconut oil and the essential oil in it. Now when you make these, you can do a mix of whatever you want. You can stick to one oil, you can put a few different oils. I have lots of different ones I like to use, from thyroid support, that has all different essential oils in it, to respiratory, immune functions. We actually teach a full class, a full hour class on cool different roller bottle recipes. So once you have that all filled, you're gonna take your top, put it on the top of it, and you're gonna press it on. Shake it up, and now you have a great roller bottle with essential oils, and it still smells so strong and vibrant, and it is diluted. So it's not going to evaporate as fast, it's gonna absorb into my skin, and I can carry it with me with the lid wherever I wanna go now. So you guys, it's really that easy. A lot of people sometimes get intimidated by roller bottles because they think, ugh, can I really do it? Guys, it is so simple and is so nice to use. I travel with these, I use roller bottles all the time with my kids. doTERRA actually even came out with their own set of roller bottles in the top 9 essential oils. These are the ones I like to use all the time. So if you don't feel like making them yourself, you don't have to make them yourself. You can just actually buy them straight from doTERRA. I hope that helped you guys. Now you know a little bit more about how to make your own roller bottle at home. If you have a recipe that you love to use, share it with the community here. Leave your recipe down below. I'm gonna leave a few of my favorites in the comments that I like to use at home with my kids. These are actually ones I really do use. And maybe I'll even throw in a few others that some of you might enjoy too. So thanks for watching, you guys.